What the fuck? Did they set my arm back in place?
Yeah.
What the fuck? It's like I was over every back in place like that. Oh my god, I can't feel my fucking legs.
Your legs.
Calm down.
Calm
down. I'm right here.
You got two big heads.
You got two heads. I just got one big one.
Let me see.
I got one big head.
You got two big
I
heads.
got two big heads.
I'm finna flush your ugly ass.
Don't flush me down the toilet.
Oh, Grandma, I love you, Grandma. Kaya, you got a big ass and I'm finna get on your little ugly African looking ass, your little ugly ass. I'm finna get on your ass. Oh my god.
I thought you loved her, Maria.
I love you, Kaya. Come here, Kaya. What the fuck? I can't feel shit on my body. What the fuck they do to my arms? Oh my god. Mom, you got two big ass heads.
Okay, alright, okay.
Oh my hand.
Which one?
Grandma, you look like a you like a motherfucking you ugly. I'm finna tell your little Scooby-Doo looking ass up. I'm finna tell your little ugly ass up. You look like a banana, your little ugly
Why
ass.
it gotta be Scooby-Doo looking?
Mama, I'm finna flush your little ugly ass. I'm finna flush your little ugly ass. You look like a fucking banana pudding, your little ugly
Why
ass.
can't I be a banana pudding? Why it gotta be Scooby-Doo?
Get your little big kid ass out somewhere.
What I look like, Maria?
Bitch, you look like a fucking dickhead, your little ugly ass, Oh my god, what
I hope them nurses don't come in here because he gonna clown on them.
You flushing everybody, Maria?
I'm flushing anybody who fucking... I'm flushing anybody. Y'all heard? I'm flushing anybody.
You on live? You on live,
Maria?
Maria?
Flush them, Maria.
How many viewers you get?
20. Flush them.
How many viewers you get?
21.
Tell me who on
Who I want here?
A lot of people. You guys start flushing everybody.
Did
Flush
you
Derek, yeah.
Get it. Back it up a little bit now.
Mama, I need some poppy pills. I need some lean.
Shut the fuck up.
I need
That's
some.
enough.
I need some red. I need some liquor. All that.
Maria.
I can't control
God
it.
damn it. We all going to jail. Shut the fuck up.
What the fuck wrong with my hand? What the fuck? What the fuck wrong with my hand? What the fuck? Pray for me, Grandma. Pray for me.
He started singing, too.
Oh, dude, making me hot.
Shit.
Oh, God.
You guys, I'm finna get on your little African looking ass.
I knew he was going to say
Ow, my arm!
Okay, shh.
Fuck off me! Fuck off me.
Cool.
I can't see.
Who you talking to?
I can't see you.
You can see me.
You got two big eyes. But I can't. I love your eyes to death. Like I don't know. I love your eyes. I love your fears. I can't.
You love all the viewers?
I love fears. All that.
You want to lift up a little bit?
If motherfucking double dick would have fucking broke my fucking arm, my fucking wrist, I went fucking what the fuck do my fucking arm?
You want to sit up a little bit?
How many viewers you got?
44.
54? Tinny.
What?
And tinny.
Start breathing. Take slow breaths, Marianne. There you go.
W, you got two big eyes, your little ugly ass. I'm finna get on you. Grandma,
Do I
you
still
look
look like Scooby-Doo?
You look like a fucking alien. Your little
An
ugly.
alien.
I'm finna get on you.
Why rather be Scooby-Doo than an alien?
What's your two piercing on your lip, your little ugly ass? Okay, she said, where he at?
I'm right
Can
here,
I be
Maria.
Bitch, you got two big foreheads, your little ugly ass.
Can I be Scooby-Doo?
You look like a fucking elephant, your little ugly ass. Go eat some bananas, your ugly ass.
be an alien. I want to be
everybody gotta be
Scooby-Doo.
ugly?
Double D, you ugly
keep
as
it real.
shit. Bitch, you ugly. Bitch, you need to go change your drawers, your little ugly ass. Fuck you talking about, bitch? Doodle drawers ass. Ooh! Beat your ass when I get out of this shit, bitch. I'm finna flush your ugly ass. Bitch, you got doodle ties on your hair, little flush it. Oh, my hand. Oh, my God.
You alright?
What the fuck? I can't see straight, but I still knock your ass out, bitch. What you talking about?
What's there?
What Derek at?
He on live.
Derek on here?
Uh-huh.
Derek, I'm finna get on your little Scooby-Doo looking ass, bitch. Your little ugly ass, bitch. You look like a
I thought I
doodle
was
turd.
Scooby-Doo looking.
Gonna shut your ass up. I can't feel my fucking lips.
Ain't go your lip.
What
They
you
right
doing?
here.
Tell me feel my lips. That's what you
They
fucking
right
help me
here.
fucking feel my
You
lips.
feel it?
You know, you got a big ass head.
That's okay. You look just like
Did
me.
they put me on the medication or something?
But
What
he
you
feel
want to
it.
hear?
Oh,
What
dear.
music you want to hear, Moya?
I'm a man. I'm a
Where's
need
Gomez?
better. I'm a need
Wait, say, where's
a
Gomez?
change up.
You hear that baby crying? You hear that baby crying?
Get the fuck off of that baby bitch ass nigga. Y'all lucky I can't get up. Get off of that baby bitch. Damn, you got a big ass head, your ass little as hell, your little ugly ass. I'm finna flush your little ugly ass. Pray for me, get on your little stinking ass, rusty ass knees, your little ugly ass. Finna get on your ass. I'm finna get on your ugly ass too, your little doodle turn looking
Talking about my
ass but I can't feel my lips without you. Without you.
You can't feel your
How many
left
people
shoe.
did he get?
55.
50,000?
55.
Give me your
I'm finna flush your little ugly ass.
That's
You look
okay. I'm
you look
sweet.
like a
You don't
leopard.
flush me.
You look like a leprechaun, your little ugly ass.
Well, don't flush me then.
Hey, Double D, you look like you like
You don't flush me?
Moya, what I
Just
look
throw
like?
them all.
but you like a bill hair, your little ugly ass, your little ugly ass. Y'all want to see my arm? Damn. They saw my arm back in place. Then I went in there, 1, 2, 3 step, 1, 2, 3 step, 1, 2, 3 step. Like I thought I was like seeing everybody in that bitch. Motherfucker, like I can't even see straight. It's like you got 2 heads, you got 3 heads, you got a million heads, motherfucker.
I got a million heads.
Oh, I'm finna get on your little, what the 55, 53 little ugly ass. I'm finna get on your ugly ass. 23? That's 53, your little ugly ass. Oh, God. Pray for me.
Where's your phone? You got your phone?
It's charging.
What the fuck did they put on my arm?
I don't know if I want you to
No
see it.
football.
You fucking fucked my life up. I was supposed to play football. You got like 4 eyeballs, you little ugly ass. I'm gonna get on your little big nose ass. You got like 2 noses, your little ugly ass. I'm gonna get on your ass. But I can't feel my legs, bro.
You ready to go?
Hell yeah, get me out of this shit. I can't lift out. Can you get me out of this shit? Let me get. Who else wanna give me a kiss? Get the fuck off of that baby!
Oh, that's horrible.
Get the fuck off of that baby! The fuck off of that baby! Oh. Man. I'm finna catch a body. I shit my arm. I want like 5 poles.
5 what?
I want 5 poles. Ah,
Can
shit.
you move it?
Look at my arm. Look at my arm. Here. Oh my god, I got cum on my arm. Oh my god. Oh my god. God, WD, I don't know why your little big headed ass laughing. I'm finna get on your little ugly ass.
Put it.
I can't.
No sound fam.
Hey, shut your little ugly milk
my bad,
motherfucking head ass up. Shut your little bitch ass up, bitch. You ugly as fuck. I'm finna turn your little bitch ass. Yo, you fuck.
Shake my hand. No, shake my hand.
I can't, bitch. Look at my hands. I can't fucking.
The other one.
Bitch, you look like a fucking kid.
My bad.
Bitch, you got two elbows. You little ugly ass. You got two heads.
elbows.
You ugly as shit, boy. When did y'all come in here? Like an hour ago?
No, like 10 minutes. Marianne, I'm ugly.
Hell yeah! You look like a fucking elephant, you little ugly ass. Grandma,
God, what I look like now?
look like a fucking double leprechaun, your little stinky pussy
leprechaun?
ass.
I'm gonna show it. You wanna smell it?
Hell no.
What kind you look like, Marianne?
Oh, I'm gonna turn your little koala bear looking ass up, your little ugly ass. I'm gonna get on your ass.
What WD look like?
Bitch, you the one broke my arm, my wrist. Bitch, I'm finna definitely get on your little ugly stinking pussy ass up. Bitch, I'm finna get on your ugly ass. Bitch, you beg for dick every day, bitch, your little ugly ass. Go get out of here. You walking home, your little face ass, your little ugly ass.
OMG.
Go get me some pizza right now. Or I beat your ass.
Somewhere.
Anywhere! Anywhere, bitch ass nigga. I like your hair, girl. Shine off. What you talking about?
Oh man.
Oh my God, I can't.
Shut your little big headed ass down. You little ugly. Oh, you wanna lay down? Oh, don't hit my arm. Oh,
I ain't
big
gonna
ass.
sit your arm, my big head.
Let me see. Okay, you got 4 eyes
I do.
and 2 lips.
Oh, well, that's good. I only have 2 lips. Right.
Is that blue? Is that blue?
Purple and pink.
Is that pinky?
Yeah. Purple.
Comment EE.
What?
I don't think they gonna let him leave like this, Talisa.
I don't think so. He through.
You wanna go
I'm high
home?
as a motherfucker.
You wanna go home, Moya?
You give me a motherfucker, but I can't, mama. I feel crazy.
I know.
Like, it's like everybody in here got like more than 1 head. Bitch, you got 5 head, 6 head, you got 4 head. You got like 8 head.
Why you getting on me? I thought I was cute.
I was crying. Whoa.
I'm sorry.
Where you from,
You don't
Moya?
think I'm cute?
I'm E-Dot.
What?
E-Block.
You black?
Yeah. E-Block.
What Cece look like?
Cece watching it?
Yeah, she watching.
Oh, Cece, you watching it? Finna get on your ugly ass. Bitch, you look like a fucking koala bear, your little ugly ass.
Nobody-
All the girls look like a koala bear.
Yeah, I'll fuck. You end up with these, y'all ugly as fuck, y'all. Go suck a dick, y'all look ugly.
Relax. What you? What you gonna do?
Jump something. Oh my God. Little four-headed ass.
Big comedy.
Shut your big headed ass up before I knock your ass down. Welcome, no little ugly ass. You got. Let
The
me
doctor
see.
said that you was so nice, but when they come in here now, they gonna change their mind. They said you was so nice. If they come in here, you talking like that, they gonna change their mind.
You can't help it,
What
What they put
No,
on
no,
my...
let me see that.
Woo! Get me out of here. Get my Jordan on, all that.
What you doing that?
I won't. No, this...
No.
What the fuck? Why you got my Jordan on? Hey, look, this is what I want for McDonald's. WD, walk your way to McDonald's. I want 5 fat bitches. I want 5 big doubles. I want 5 extra cheese. All that shit. Give me everything. I want everything. Give me all that.
I love it.
All of it. I eat everything.
You hungry?
Not everything.
Look like, hey y'all, I was
Your
so,
little silly tail.
woo!
Handsome.
You handsome. I don't care how ugly
You
I
ugly.
am.
And you ugly too. And you ugly. You ugly. You ugly.
I ain't ugly.
Marion, I got gas.
Oh hell no.
Oh, wait. I'm
Get the
gonna
fuck off my
I'm
head.
gonna put you back to sleep.
Fuck that.
I'm going to put you back to sleep.
Marianne, you got the camera crew in here.
I got.
What's up?
She said I'm finna flush your little. Right, I'm finna flush your little monkey looking ass.
My baby don't look like no monkey.
Right, you look like a fucking monkey, your little ugly ass.
She don't.
Damn, my
Your daddy watching too.
oh daddy, my daddy watching.
Yeah, flushing Marion. You got to.
What? Oh my
You gotta
arm.
get it.
My
You
daddy
got
on
to.
there.
Y'all see on there. You gotta get it.
Oh, your little ugly ass on Kaisha phone, your little ugly ass. I'm finna get on your ass. You got some home.
Oh, wait a minute. Grandma Margaret just got on here. She watching.
Oh.
Oh, everybody.
You gotta
She on here,
flush
she
it.
watching.
Oh, Grandma Margaret. I'm finna get on your ugly ass. I'm finna. You look like Scooby Doo, your little.
What are you talking about? Everybody that love you.
I'm sorry, everybody.
You call me ugly, and I know I ain't ugly.
I know you. Grandma, you lovely. You cute. Mama, you cute. Grandma, you cute.
Okay,
But you got
thank
a
you.
big ass head though. Tay, you ugly as shit. You ugly. How you get your ass away from me? You ugly as shit.
Oh, give me
Me can say.
No.
Your big ass back up. I don't know.
You broke your arm. What you gonna do about that?
Hey. Can you put the color down for me?
Pull
Marion,
them
say
down or
bye.
up.
Say bye to everybody.
Bye bye. Woo, I feel some type of way.
Yeah, I know you do.
Feel like I pop pills, all that. I can feel my bone lip. I can feel my dingling. I can feel my arms. I just one thing I heard about it. Yes. Can't feel my arm.
Marion, they want you to rap.
Oh, bitch. You ugly, your booty stink, your
Damn,
pussy stink.
damn.
I'm finna get on you. You look like Captain
No, rap,
America.
not cat. Rap, Marion, rap.
My name is Marion. I'm
Damn.
from the Don Don.
Damn.
And I'm from the streets. I
Damn.
get a little cash.
What?
And I like the pussy. And I get a
What you know
lot.
about that?
I know a lot.
Marion, that matters. I'm sorry.
The fuck they do to my arm? Oh my god, my thumb. Hey, whoever snapped my shit back in place, I told them whoever snapped my shit back in place, I'm gonna beat their ass. So tell them to come in here. I'm gonna give them something. I'm gonna beat their ass.
No, because they helped you.
Oh my arms.
What you
Oh,
gonna do to him? The one who snapped your
What?
stuff in place? Your arm in place?
you left me. You left me. I thought you
I
left
didn't
me.
leave. I
Yes, you
didn't.
did.
Marion, I didn't leave.
Oh my god.
Gotta get it. Got to, Marion.
I'm finna flush it.
This is medicine.
Gotta
You
get him,
get my
Marion.
son.
You already know what
Oh,
time
y'all
it
want me to flush it?
is. You already know what
Look like
time
a
it is.
koala bear. Yellow.
He's doing everything.
Forehead.
Everything and everything.
Okay. That's pretty typical.
Yeah,
Especially at this age, they wake up a little crazy.
She flushing you, Marion.
Flushing you, bro.
So,
Flushing.
we'll
Yeah, you can have that.
Forehead. I'm gonna
You
do
gotta get it.
leprechaun with the... I fight for some.
because you're a little crazy right now.
Yeah.
Sorry, buddy. Alright, we'll come check back on him here in a little bit, okay?
It gets stuck. Fuck me to the fuck time out. I don't need no doctor. I'm my own person. I just take care of my own self.
You don't need me?
I need you. I need my family. How many? Give me you got.
I mean, what?
Give me you got.
Viewers?
Yeah.
120
Oh.
on you.
Damn, we got 4 cameras.
No, it's 2.
Hell no.
This ugly.
Your arm still hurt.
I don't feel. Did they put something in my lips?
No, they
Let me
still
see.
they
Let me see if they put
numb.
something on your lips.
I can't feel my lips. Chop. Put my thumb up in your ocean.
Mama, you heard him? You said put my boy in your ocean.
Who are on there?
A lot of people.
Yeah. I'm fried. Who got the loud pack? I got 20 I got 20 on it.
You got 20 on it?
Oh, I need Gigi.
What?
Gigi.
What? How do you know about that?
Gigi.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, my leg.
What?
You don't laugh, WD? You just video recording. You need to come in there.
Yeah, I want me to tell y'all the story when I did fix session. It was like, they put me in a big ass room. I was spinning around the place. You left me.
I didn't, Marianne.
I thought you were still.
I am, and I was, and I am. Right here with you.
Who you looking for?
I had to
Yo,
step,
ugly ass bitch.
I had to step back and let them do what they had to do. I didn't leave you.
You didn't either.
I didn't.
No, we was right here.
I'm scared to
Double-
say something.
Man.
Hey, Double D. Double D and Tay, Kylie. Get your ass out, because y'all wasn't here when they fucking...
Yes, I would.
You was?
Yes,
I
you
was
would.
here.
Your elbow here, there's up.
What? You were just saying you love me, but now I got an elbow.
I love
here.
that. Ha
I thought you wanted me to come in here.
I do, but now I don't. Your little ugly ass.
Alright. You want me to leave?
Flush it.
Hello.
You just stay. You just stay now.
That's what you say.
Yeah, I'm feeling different. You,
No, come on. Please bring me a cigarette. Please.
Cause I want my
you
brother.
okay?
You
Come
need
on.
a cigarette too, Mario?
You okay?
I ain't drop your hands on.
Bro, why your big ass break my
Oh my God,
my
they-
elbow?
She on the phone talking about you, Morion. You gotta get her. You gotta get her, Morion. Gotta get her, Morion. Flush her. You
Shut
got
up,
to.
Faye.
You gotta get her. You gonna let her talk
You
about
look
you on
like
the
a
phone?
fucking let me think. I don't
Get
know
on
that
her.
little capo. You look like a fucking koala bear, your little ugly stinking booty ass. You look like a fucking.
Flush
You
her
look
back
like
there.
hello
Why I
bitch.
thought I was cute though?
Well, you're not.
Yeet. Yeet. Tell her. Yeet. 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 Yeet.
Eat.
Yeet.
Say what?
Yeet.
You ain't even a child.
Look it up, Morion.
They pick my chin off.
They take your what off?
What they doing? I'm ready to get up out of here.
They said you can't. You gotta get another X-ray.
You staying here tonight?
Oh, they better let me out this room, huh? They try some shit. I shoot up this bitch.
Shut up.
We gonna talk.
They doing another one. I guess they already. I guess they. Yeah, but No,
It tastes like
it was-
candy.
One part was broke. It was two bones. He explained it to me. I can't really explain it. The thing that was poking out was the bone. And then they popped that back in place and one broke it. The other bone was fractured or something. I don't know.
You can do
But
the things I do.
He got a splint,
I do.
like, and it's wrapped up in the ace bandage. They can't put a cast
Who
on it.
understand
That's what's so
my cast? But they gonna put it on in about like 1 more week.
Football is over.
You can't play football no more, Morion.
I will beat your ass. Your little four-headed ass. You lucky I can't see straight.
What you see then?
Megan on there, flush Megan.
Megan on that
Megan on
room.
there gotta get her, Morion.
Gotta get Megan, flush her.
Hey, that's what he broke my elbow. Oh my god.
Handsome. Where my ugly self there they go.
Give me
My
a kiss.
pussy stinking. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get in that shot.
Give me a kiss before you leave. You finna leave, Grandma?
Now my breath, is my breath stinking too?
Hell yeah. Grandma. I'm out. You finna leave, Grandma? You finna leave?
You okay with that?
If you're not okay with that, I won't go nowhere.
You staying with us. You part of the family, so you staying with us. But sit your ass down.
Well, can I go smoke a cigarette?
Smoke it right here. Shit, give me one.
That's what I'm saying. I can't because you might take it from me.
Matter of fact, just give me a cigarette. I'll pour out of tobacco while I put the weed in. And that's how it is.
You don't have to pull the tobacco out because I'm going to get the tobacco out.
Honey, get it. Whoa, it's getting stronger. Oh! What's that? Why is it getting stronger?
What's the color?
It's taking your blood pressure.
But they need to hurry up and let me out.
You need to relax so they can let you out. You got to
Flush
stop.
Courtney, Marion.
Courtney,
Y'all, flush Courtney.
yo, begging for dick ass. I'm gonna get
Where
another
you get that from? Where you coming up with all this stuff from?
my mind.
Your mind.
What the fucking blow, dude? I'm sleepy, y'all. Who's gonna carry me to the car?
I got you.
No, your little big head ass. Bitch, since you broke my arm, you gonna take me everywhere I wanna go.
I got you.
I'll put you in my wheelchair. You don't want to walk.
And she gonna have to hand one of them over to me. Or they should just give me one of them things. I'll just rest my arm on when I like stand up.
The holding thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask them for one of them.
You feel better?
Yeah, that's why they're giving me spring.
It's wearing off, like it's wearing off. Oh,
They'll
it's,
put
you
one
still
on
got
you.
like 4 eyes. It's like worn off. That's why I'm not turning no more. Oh, I'm back now. But the camera fucked.
You normal.
Oh,
No.
mm.
No.
How many kilos did you get?
You said you.
144.
Huh?
144.
Oh, for real?
Somebody left Marion.
They leaving you.
Who left? Who left? I'm back now. I'm smacking. Y'all look, I got my hair. I'm smacking. Ooh. Whoever left, I got y'all. Got y'all. Mama, I'm sleeping with you tonight.
Are you leaving me?
Fuck you, bitch. You let him break my arm.
Your wrist.
Yeah, my wrist. I don't give a fuck. Now pull the cover down. Look how. Look, look at it.
What is this on your arm?
Show them your chain, Marion.
Look at it.
Hey.
Try to take my chain. I ain't going. I don't care. Yeah. Jeez.
How you get it? Tell them how you got it. Tell them a story.
Well, he's been up now about 20 minutes.
I forgot, man. I'll tell y'all when I feel better.
Yeah.
Cup back on.
Let me see what he got to say to you. Here's Uncle Mickey.
Who that?
You gotta get it.
Uncle Mickey.
Flush
We
him.
don't speak.
Hello?
That's me. Flush him.
Now I'm finna flush your little ugly ass. I'm finna get on your little koala bear looking at you. You smell like your little bear sex, your little ugly ass. What? I'm finna get on you.
This is how he been talking to us.
What the fuck?
Ask him why he didn't bring me no cigarette, Marion.
Why you ain't beat me a ciggy? I want me a ciggy.
No.
You ain't beat me. Why you ain't beat both of us a ciggy?
Man, what the fuck is you doing, man? What's wrong?
They gave me some lean in my medicine and I'm like,
Quit saying that, Marion.
You in the hospital.
What?
You in the hospital, bro? What's wrong with you, bro?
Motherfuckers breaking motherfuckers' wrists.
What you say, bro? You better stop cussing like that, boy.
This medicine got me.
Hey, nah, nigga, stand down before I come up there. Hey,
Come up here then.
Marion, what's wrong with you, bro? You alright, little bro?
Why you got blood on your shirt? That's my butt. Oh, now I'm tripping.
Yeah, you is.
What you say?
Who's in the hospital? Who's texting? Whose name is on the sticker?
Who name on what?
Whose name on the sticker? The one that you got a visiting pass for.
Samarian.
What's wrong with you, boy?
No.
What's wrong with you,
Dang.
Yeah.
I just told him to come to church. Why you ain't come up here, Michi?
What's wrong with what is going on? What is going on?
You can't even make it up fast enough. Never mind.
Samarian.
What?
Are you coming up?
What's wrong with you, bro?
I broke my wrist.
How did you break your wrist, boy?
Hey, I need your strap to bust a cap and double D ass.
Double D broke your wrist. You let that leg go ahead.
Nah. But shut up, bro. This how it
He
happened.
said he gonna put double D lights out, Michi.
But I was beating his ass at first, and then he like just grabbed me, and my hand was like up, and then he like just snapped that shit. Like it ain't hurt, but I was just panicking.
What was Tater Bug at?
Tater Bug? Who was Tater Bug? Who the fuck is a Tater Bug? Tater Bug.
Where was Tay at, bro?
Oh, he was right there. He was, I don't know. I think his little bitch ass, I don't know where he was at. Oh, yeah, he was right there.
Right now, man. Where's she up there, man?
I'm right here.
He right here.
So why Double D ain't in the room next to Marion?
He
Right
is.
here.
But it's all cool.
I will beat all y'all ass.
You ain't gonna beat shit.
I'm beating the fuck out of you little motherfucker. What the fuck is going on?
I bust your ass in the head with my cast, nigga.
Hey, no. Double D, what the fuck is wrong with you, Double D? I'm gonna kick your big foot ass.
You touch him, you touch me, you touch him, you gotta come through me. I'm gonna pistol whip your ass. Nah, we cool. He ain't mean to. I was just
Boy,
playing.
yeah, you can't be telling like that. I'm gonna call that kick all y'all little ass.
I'm live. They said flushing.
Flush me more, y'all.
What's you?
Everybody ass. What is going on? What time is it? What the
I ain't
hell?
I ain't in my house no more. I'm chilled. I'm chilled out.
Nah, Mario, you better chill out, man. I'm about to kick your ass.
Come up here then,
Hey,
bro. I'm ready. I already been through enough. I wanna hit now.
how you hit with one hand, fool?
I got a cast to hit your ass with. That's why I can't get hit with a gun. It's hard.
Man, Connie ass like me.
Wow.
Man, you can't be talking like that on my phone, man. I'm about to beat your ass, Mario.
Well, hang up then. I'm at Children's.
Hey, Mario, bro. Y'all is disrespectful, man. What time is it?
Dun.
It's 3:37.
How long we been here, Mom?
3 hours.
Well, 3 hours? That's a go. I'm ready. Come on, I take these fucking tickets. Oh my god, I can't even.
He ain't talking about nothing. He ain't talking about coming up here.
Yeah, that's disrespectful.
Let me see who I want there.
Hey, but I'm gonna put my phone on charger, but I'm gonna put my shoes on, burn my car and kick y'all ass, alright?
Hey.
Yeah, right. Hang up. They still messing with that baby one.
They messing with the baby one.
Bro, get the fuck off the baby. Y'all have to yell now. I'll come over there and beat all y'all with.
You been able to yell.
No, I couldn't yell when I had that medicine in me and stuff.
You was yelling like, Kyle, I love you. Kyle, I love you. Mama, I love you. With my brothers.
Oh yeah, like I was missing y'all. Like I don't know what. I ain't know he had to do all that shit. Like I was rolling. And this motherfucker. Like I ain't know. Man, let me get up. Let me go tell them motherfucker lesson. They ain't a fucking supposed to pick with babies.
You don't like that?
Nah. But when the doctors come in.
Hello. You want to come over and get some x-rays? You look like you're more awake. We'll take you in this bed. You don't have to walk over. Alright? Alright, just a second. Hi, this is Ari over in the ED. I have a kid.
You feel better?
To come over for a consultation.
Yeah, a little bit. It's like just coming off my hand.
You got the
Last name is Miller.
He ain't gonna remember he was doing all this.
Who that red is, Marion?
You go showing though.
You got all that white stuff in your. Thank you, Sushi.
What do you call it?
Sushi.
Let's unplug you from all these monitors.
Tell me you'll be back, sir.
I'll be back, y'all.
What'd you say, Mom?
Said last week,
Huh? Let's not go quick. Just get that out from underneath.
When we gonna be ready to go? When we gonna be ready to go?
After the x-ray, what is the next step?
The radiologist will read the x-ray, and then as long as he can like drink something and tolerate it without getting sick, then he can go.
Okay.
Sorry.
You cool now, Moriana?
So this is what
Me down there.
Yes.
Can I take this off my finger?
Yeah. Do you think you'd be able to walk, or do you want to go in the bed?
I think I can walk. Yeah, I can walk. Yeah.
Let's see here. Oh, you took it off. Okay. Do you think you can?
Come on, buddy.
Do you want to walk? I can push you in the bed.
It's cool. Oh. It's cool.
Where your J's at, Moriana?
I took them off. Do I get one of those things to hold my hand up, like to put them
A
on my
sling.
Yeah, we'll get a sling for you. You're going to go to the right. You guys all coming with? These doors right here.
Think open.
Yep. I'm just going to go right across.
I'm so sleepy right now.
Just right across right here.
Early in the morning.
And then have a
Put your pants somewhere on. Woo!
Yeah, smell good.
Okay. I'll call you in.
Okay, thank you. Feeling better?
I'm dizzy. What's in the brother of me?
Some kind of medicine to put you to sleep.
Look at it. It's
That hurt.
it ain't hurt that bad, but it was like a little pinch.
Hey, buddy, you're walking.
Y'all, that's it. I'm here.